Yeah, okay, guys. Good day, everyone. Once again, we're back. Hi. This video, sorry, is a continuation of the other block that I was talking about before it got cut. So I will continue the concept of the other block. The other block I was saying before. So I'm going to continue from there, guys. So I talked about the other block, the major concept of the other blocks. You can remember I also said something. I'm sorry for that, guys. So I said something that how do we identify the other block? So remember I stopped. I said the bullish order block. I said the bullish order block is the last bearish candle. Yeah, the last bearish candle before the rally to the upside. Let's take for example, I was giving an insight that um this is the market coming from this level. So we have this bullish structure here. So there is another block here resting at this area. This is another block here because you can see price after the push price came here, and okay, let's say the other block has not have not started here. So say this is the movement. Then after price went like this and made this and came back. So this level becomes there is another block here that enable price comes back to mitigate that area for a continuation buy to the upside. And the same thing again, price comes there and mitigate the other block and push over. Remember I told you guys something that price like buying from the buyers like to buy from a discount. So they want to buy price at a discount area that is at a low. So they want to buy price at a cheaper rate. So that is why they tend to enter price from here the cheap this low here, and they tend to pick up their buy and push market the impulsive move to the upside here. So that is for the bullish order block. So I was also saying about the bearish order block. I said it is the last bullish candle rested above price before the drop to the down. So we have let's say price made this rally to the upside here, and there is another block here that price is supposed to come back to mitigate, then push down. So and after that it makes another order block again. So price might come back there to mitigate that area for a continuation sell. So there is another block resting at these areas that price tend to find entry. Orders resting there, they tend to come to pick up their orders from there and sell or buy. So I have this chart before me now. Let's do and let's talk about the other block here right now. So here before me I have this guy standing here. So you can see this is my other block here. This is my other block resting above, sorry, this is my other block here resting above this area here. You can see, let me zoom out, guys. You can see that this was the last, these are the last bullish candle that was formed before this next bearish candle. And what do you see? You can see the rally to the downside. So there is a bearish order block. Then yeah, so you can also see that you can identify them so many, you can identify them so many. You can also see here there's another block here. So you can see the bullish candle before this rally to the downside. You can see them. Yeah, you can also see there's another block here resting. So here the seller takes and orders from. So you can see that there's another block here, and this one over here too again is another block. So can you see there? So that is another block there. Yeah, so we also, yeah, you can see this again. So we have numerous other blocks here. You can see here is another block. Here is another block, and can we also call this another block? Yeah, we can call this another block too, because this price also peaked the last bearish candle before the rally to the upside. So that is another block there. So uh we have them numerous other blocks. We have the other blocks, a lot of other blocks resting that price needs to take off. So price needs to come back to take off those levels. So we can also see here again, um oh, let me rotate my screen like this, so so I can see more clearer picture. You can see more of them. Now let me use the H1 time frame. Okay, so I okay, so I was saying something that this is the other block here. I've also showed you guys. So we have numerous other blocks here. I have other block here, and we also have, yeah, what people tend to call the other block. We also have another block here, another block here. You can also see another block here. So also here. So you can find this other block. You can find it everywhere, but it depends. The thing is, then, is it every other block price tend to mitigate? The answer is no. So it's not every other block price. You can see here again, this is a bearish other block, you can see, and there's another block resting there. So, and you can also see, I can actually see an other block resting here. So you can see I can also get another block here. So you can see that I have other blocks that are resting here, and I can also see this one is crystal clear. I can see this other block here. So you see how price came to mitigate that area and gave us a sell. So and I can see on another block down here, which is very clear. I can see another block down this levels here. So you can see how price picked up and moved up to the downside. So there's another block resting here. Another block is resting here. So um you have a lot of them. Yeah, just moment you open your chart, yeah, you can see them. They are everywhere, everywhere. They are everywhere. Other block, other block, other block, other block, other block. So you can see there is another block there. You have them everywhere. So just for you to be able to identify them, yeah, so this is another block again, other block, other block. So good and fine. So that is another block. Okay, so guys, I just want to show you guys, I use this chart to highlight the other blocks for us, so you can be able to take notice of them. So you also have this area here. This is another block resting here. Sorry. Oh, my bad. Okay. So okay. Um so you can see this step index. So I also have another block. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Yeah, so you can see that we have another block resting here. So this is another block here. I can see here is another block, and here other block, other block, other block, other block, other block. Okay, so you can see another block down here. Yeah, other block. Hold this is another block again, and this down is another block. So we have them here. So we have other blocks here, so which I can see clearly see with my eyes. So okay, so this is another block too, that block as well, and now another block here. So you can see another block here. So we can find them as long as you can see them. You can find and see, find them everywhere, everywhere you want to see them, everywhere you want to find them. You can see the other block everywhere. So guys, sorry I sounding this way. If you want to listen to this video, please try to use earpiece so that you can hear what I'm saying. I'm sorry, I've been exhausted too much today, so that is why I'm sounding this way. Sorry guys. So yeah, you can see this again, another block here. You can see price coming within that range. So and you can get the buy. So you can see another block down here again. So you can see, and I also have this up here again, another block down up here and also here. So you can see these are other blocks too. You can see how price reacted here. So like I told you, it's not every other block price tend to mitigate. So there are levels, there are other blocks that tend to always mitigate, and those other blocks, they are other blocks that have not been tested by price. So price doesn't work with numerous other blocks. When um the institution traders tend to always look for untested levels of other block of OB, so they tend to mitigate those areas. Just like what I have here now, you can see that this is crystal clear. Can you see this now? So and you see that this level, although was not tested by price action, but they failed to use this other block here, and you see how this level was cleared. So buyer that was trying to buy at here, what do you get? See how it failed them and push to the downside here. So you can see that buyers that was trying to buy there couldn't make it. So and this down again, like I told you, this is another block again. So yeah, so you can see that we are, yeah, we are on it. So this is how we tend to map out the other blocks level of price action. Okay, okay guys, so I'll be stopping here. I'll talk about the next video. We'll talk about liquidity concept and the FEG and all that. So let's stay tuned. If you are not clear, you answer a question and make sure you do the assignment. Map out various other blocks which you can see. I will tend to look into them, guys. Okay, so let's see guys in the next video section.